Hey guys, in this video I'll show you how to create relationships in Power BI. So as you can see, I have two different sets of data. And what you need to do is first come here, the left-hand panel, click on Model View. Okay. Now we need to pick two different fields that match one another. For example, let's do country. So I just drag this to the other country and the other data set. And we are now able to create a relationship. So you see this pop up for new relationship. So the table we're picking from is this, and we are creating a relationship to this table, same field. Okay. Now here, as you can see, it is giving us the cardinality as many to many. Okay. So we can make sure this is toggled on, and then you can click on save. So this is what Power BI is suggesting to us. Of course, you can change this if you feel like it's wrong. And there we go. We have created a many-to-many relationship, and it's really that easy and simple.